Hello, my friend. Good morning. How are you? What? Yeah. And what do you think where I'm going? Now I will describe. I'm going the Toyota that yesterday I'm drive very hard, very drive with the wire. The Toyota has new clutch, brand new original clutch actuator refurbished, but the mechanic don't did start position on clutch cover, don't did, and this is the problem. Them cannot no luck to do calibration for clutch, and neutral was flashing, and how them did that did start working. Under the sensor we have butterfly, so them bend this butterfly that the clutch actuator will go inside, more inside, not normal, abnormal, yeah, and start working. But after a week, problem. After another week, problem. Why? Because even the new clutch cover from box Toyota Aisin, no matter, need to restart, need to do start position. The manufacturer don't do it. I don't know why. The mistake, yes. But we, before installing clutch cover for Toyota MMT 5-speed transmission, need to do clutch cover in start position. And I'm going now. We removed the gearbox. It has new clutch, refurbished clutch actuator, but not working. Now we removed the gearbox again to do start position and clutch cover, install it back. I'm sure it will perfect. Also, one moment, the bushing, where is the bearing moving, clutch bearing moving, need to polish it. Yeah, to polish that it will like a mirror. Yeah, look at this. I took the set to do in the clutch cover and start position, and now I'm going to do it. Now we will see. Yeah. Опа. Ребят. Так, надо Мишу найти. Опа, смотри-ка. Подожди, фонарик надо. Коробка. Так, эту, короче, сделаем. Маховичок. А вот корзина, блядь, смотри-ка. Диск. Disc is new. Clutch cover also new, but not working. Why? Let's check. And what we have? Та-дам!
Ехала в самое, блядь, конец. Приколи. Вот проблема, ты видишь?
So, look at this. You see, where is the teeth? Teeth on this side. It must be on the start position. Why? Because them not did it from start. Now I will restart it and we'll all okay. О, приколись. О, все, дошла. Это корзина с автоподводом. Не автомат, это робот. Да, ее надо всегда взводить. Даже новую. Они, короче, не выпускают невзведенную. А люди ставят, и все, проблема. Сцепа пропадает.
И присесть сразу, да?
Не сразу. Ну, сразу, да, точнее. О, все, попал. Готово. Все. So now I did restart. Now it's okay. And it will working very good. 5 years I will not see this car. See? This is the start position.
Надо какую-то приблуду купить. Сделать что-то, надо с какой-нибудь из головки, блядь, большой, туда наждачку нахуй запердолить, блядь, и этим.
А, ну да, точно. Тогда будешь шлифонить. Смотри, видишь, хоть немного, небольшой, но все равно, сейчас наждачку берешь, о, видишь? Да. Так, все. Все, давай. Что? Все, бомбана. Я думаю, даже обучать не будем. Сейчас, если поедет, все сразу поедет. Че,
Может быть.
А что, может быть, блин? Давай. Все, видишь? Прикинь.
Нихуя себе.
Все, я потом сам обучу.
Нихуя себе. Что за проводочек забыл поставить?
Это сюда, это обязательный девайс в этой машине.
А, это нейтралка, да?
Да. Видишь? So the car drive without any calibration. Now I will go to my base and I'm do full calibration in silence. Yeah. Опа! So you saw that? Now the car is perfect. Clutch is perfect. Actuator good. Working very well. And what it was that the mechanic did start position in the clutch cover. Yeah, it was on 2 or maybe 3 T's. He installed it. He tried to do calibration. No luck. Let's go some arm. Let's go 12 volts to the clutch actuator. Oh, look at this. He's moving. Yeah. So all stories about the clutch cover Someone prepared on the manufacturer. No, nobody. You need to do start position in every new clutch cover. Every you bought the clutch for 5-speed transmission MMT, do start position by yourself. Yeah. And if the mechanic will say to you, it must be, no, it's blah, 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 blah. Will not working, you will in trouble. So need to do start position, need to grinding and polish the bushing where is the bearing moving, and after that the car working perfect. Yeah, and you will forget about this problem. And who will say that the MMT is no good? You know what no good? This no good. Are always coming from here. Yeah. So call me, message me. Good luck. Bye.